Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to send money from Stripe to your bank account. It's so simple and easy, so let's start. First of all, make sure to log in with your right credentials. In the left menu, go to balances. After that, you can see add a bank account to pay out your euro or dollar balance. Select plus add bank account. After that, make sure to verify your identity. If you find any troubles, you just need to go to the settings icon right here. After that, in the account settings section, you just need to select business, go to the third tab, bank accounts and currencies, and make sure to manage your currencies from here, or you can set add a bank account and you can try again. You can also schedule the payout. Either you select manual payouts or automatically you choose the period of time where it's daily, weekly or monthly. After that, make sure to select save. You can switch on to keep a minimum amount in your payments balance, and you can precise it from here. Select save. Now once you did all of that, make sure you have your right currency right here. If you find it helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.